these are my top beauty tips for eyes. So these tips are great for everyone, but in particular, anyone over 40. So starting with a great lash serum. So as we age, our lashes become less lustrous. I'm sure you've noticed it. So getting a great lash serum is so key. You want one that doesn't irritate your eyes, that doesn't cause that pigmentation or disrupt your color of your eye. You're also going to use this on your brows. It really helps with sparse brows, which also luckily happens as we age. I use the Sarah Maxwell serum. It's amazing. You notice a difference in about 2 weeks. You really get fuller, longer, darker lashes. If you want me to tell you where to find that, just let me know in the comments. Next, self tanner. I am such a believer in self tanner. It just adds so much life to your face. But the key is to do a double layer under your eyes. So apply your self tanner all over and then go in and do one extra coat under your eyes. You'd be amazed how much darkness that suppresses. Next, never bring concealer all the way to your lower lash line. Let me show you what I mean. It is really normal to have this tiny little bit of shadowing right under your lash. If you bring your concealer all the way up, it makes it look very stark, very artificial, and you look weird. So no matter what, only blend your concealer to about here and leave this little tiny bit of shadowing. It's such a beautiful look. Next, use some type of concealer or corrector on your eyelids. So we have a lot of vessels on the eyelids that show through. So not only will that make you look more tired by adding that bluish purple hue, if you are someone that wears shadow, it will conflict with the color you're using. So you want to block that out. I love a product by MAC. I don't know where mine is. It should be here somewhere. But anyways, it's called the MAC Paint Pot, and the color is Painterly. Now, let me get out of the way so you can screenshot this. As always, leave me any questions you have in the comments.